Hello guys, welcome back to Enough Things, but for today's video, here we're going to show you how to motion track in CapCut PC. Now, you might be wondering, how do you exactly motion track videos here in CapCut PC? Well, there is a way for you to do this yourself. So, the first thing that you want to do is you want to add whichever video that you want to motion track. Like, for example, we have this video here. So, what you need to do is we first need to add a reference point. So in order for you to add that, you just need to go to your text here. Just click on default text to add this. Click on the plus button. Now you want to go and add this to your full clip. And with your text here, you want to double click on it and just add a very simple dot or whatever reference point that you want to use here. Now from here, you want to make this a lot bigger. And you just want to put this in whichever position you want it to be. Like for example, you want to put this in the center or whichever location. And once you've done that, what we need to do is you want to go ahead and go to our video. Now the thing with videos here is we need to add some space on the side so that the video itself can move. So I would suggest you to scale your video a bit. So in my case, I scaled this like additional 34%, but you can make this like 50 or additional like 150%, but depends on your video. Just make sure that you are covering the whole video here when it's actually moving around. Now the thing with this one is you want to do this frame by frame. So typically speaking is you could use the arrow keys on your keyboard to basically add keyframes on it. So just give you an example, I'm going to first position this on the first frame at the leftmost side, and you want to go ahead and move this around. So position wise, let's go add a keyframe, and you can go ahead and just double click on the video and just move it around. Now click on whichever space that you have here. So in this case, just make sure before doing so, just make sure that you've selected the actual video. So once you've done that, go ahead and click on the next button or key on your keyboard and just move it around. Like for example, this one, move it in here, next frame, still good. Move next frame. Let's go and move this around a bit, and here's it's centered. The next frame, next frame. Now you could do this for every frame here, but I'm just going to move this to a very small amount, like every 3 frames, just to make sure everything fits here. And once you've done this, you should now have a good tracked video here. So let me just do this for the whole duration. Now once you've done that and added all the keyframes that you need, you could just click on the reference point that we just added. And just for reference, I'm going to play the original video. This is what's the original video here. And for the edited video, this is what it actually looks like. See, it's now tracking that person's movement. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Enough Inspo. Thank you for watching.